Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hive thermostat is stuck on searching and not connecting properly, it can be frustrating because your heating controls may stop responding the way they should. You may notice the Hive thermostat screen continuously searching without connecting to the receiver, leaving you unable to adjust temperature settings normally. This issue usually happens when the thermostat loses communication with the Hive receiver, the connection becomes weak, or the system needs a quick refresh. Since the Hive thermostat depends on a stable signal to control heating, even a small interruption can stop the setup from syncing correctly. The good part is that this problem is often easy to solve with a few simple checks instead of replacing anything. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Hive thermostat stuck on searching. Step 1. Restart the Hive thermostat by turning the Hive thermostat off and back on again. Step 2. Check the power to the Hive receiver and make sure the Hive receiver is working properly. Step 3. Move the Hive thermostat closer to the Hive receiver to improve the Hive thermostat connection. Step 4. Check if the Hive thermostat batteries are low and replace the Hive thermostat batteries if needed. Step 5. Open the Hive app and confirm the Hive thermostat and Hive receiver are still linked correctly. Step 6. Test the Hive thermostat again and confirm the Hive thermostat is no longer stuck on searching.